Hi, I'm Ryan Snyder with Canon, and today I'm going to talk about the amazing video features in the new EOS R5 full-frame mirrorless camera. With resolution up to 8K, the enhanced dual-pixel Cmos autofocus 2 system, in-body image stabilizer, and more, this camera takes video to a new level on the Canon EOS R series. One of the most exciting features, of course, is the 8K internal RAW recording to a CF Express card. That's right, 8K DCI 12-bit RAW, up to 30p, full frame with no crop, and dual-pixel Cmos AF2, all while simultaneously recording a 4K MP4 file to an SD card. If RAW recording isn't required, you can still record 8K in MP4 with or without Canon log with either All-I or IPB compression. While 8K may not be your delivery format, the post-production flexibility it gives you for 4K delivery is awesome. For example, the resolution it provides makes it easy to punch in on a lockdown shot to create multiple angles. And the benefits don't stop there. A 4K HQ mode is available, which uses 8.2K oversampling data to develop an even higher quality 4K recording than previously has been available on EOS cameras. Standard quality 4K is available in either DCI or UHD formats, from 24 to 60p, and while all resolutions feature an uncropped full-frame recording area, a movie crop mode is available if desired for achieving more telephoto reach. If slow motion is what you're after, you can record 4K 120p DCI or UHD formats with dual-pixel autofocus for amazing high-resolution footage, all with tack-sharp focus. Speaking of autofocus, Canon's dual-pixel Cmos AF has been enhanced to version 2, now allowing for approximately 100% coverage of the frame. In addition to tracking a person's eye, face, or head, you can now set it to track the body, face, or eyes of animals, such as cats, dogs, and birds. Be sure to check out Brandon Chin's video on this subject. For the first time on an EOS camera, there's an in-body image stabilizer, which makes smooth handheld footage possible with less need for stabilizing accessories or post-production work. For more info on this feature, check out Drew McCallum's video for all the details. As HDR is becoming more standardized in the industry, you can be ready for it with the EOS R5 camera's HDR PQ recording capability. Record 10-bit 422 HDR footage either internally or externally with the 4K capable clean HDMI out. Easily create stunning time-lapse content with interval timer or time-lapse movie mode by setting the shooting interval and number of exposures desired. While these recording options are impressive, it doesn't stop there. The movie recording resolution menu has been streamlined to an intuitive user interface. It allows resolution, frame rate, and compression to be selected quickly and in context to their corresponding settings. Options that are unavailable due to the current configuration will be grayed out, allowing for simpler resolution settings. Zebra patterns have been added, another first for an EOS camera. This legacy feature found on professional camcorder and cinema EOS cameras is a welcome addition as it allows for real-time exposure monitoring while recording video. 2 different patterns can be displayed simultaneously and can be customized to specific IRE levels. Great for quickly identifying blown-out highlights and for keeping middle gray optimized when shooting in Canon log. With the EOS R5, Canon has once again blurred the lines of professional still and video cameras with astounding specifications, high dynamic range recording, and renowned Canon reliability. We look forward to seeing what you create.